I feel totally caught up and captivated and entranced by the mystery of the past.
In their efforts to control the fire, firefighters had to rip down much of the paneling.
Australia, you know, they're standing on the bottom of the globe, won't they fall off? And your teacher says, no, gravity. But when you go back to it as an adult and start looking at it with a critical eye, right, the whole thing falls apart.
Capybara.
Conversations discussing the techniques used to achieve a disingenuous picture depicting the Earth at a distance in order to falsely demonstrate their far journey from it and their ability to survive passing through the Van Allen radiation belts.
I think there are definitely people who have an interest in hiding the potentially explosive discoveries that could be made at the Great Pyramids and the Great Sphinx, and hiding them and keeping them from the rest of the world, of not allowing that information to come out. They have absolute control and absolute secrecy over everything that they are doing.
So they've prepared us for an alien invasion or an alien saviour. And I think the Flat Earth came along at the right moment to educate people, to make people believe or understand that we're being lied to.
Again, the illusion they are attempting to create is the Earth at a distance to demonstrate their
worshipping the devil.
The conclusion that we're coming to is that
the Earth
is the monkey mind.
Dun, 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 dun. Absolutely.
The conclusion that we're coming to is that
the Earth
is the monkey mind.
Dun, 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 dun.
The Earth
is the monkey mind.
Dun, 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 dun.
The Earth
is the monkey mind.
Nobody will believe me. You're gonna tell me I'm making it up.
Absolutely.